250 gram of milk we will take. Is it okay? Two 50 gram of milk we will take. After that, we will add sugar. So you can take any sugar like normal sugar which we are using at our home, and also you can take powder sugar. Okay, powder sugar भी आप लोग ले सकते हो, नॉर्मल शुगर भी ले सकते हो. So 50 gram of sugar we will add. फिफ्टी ग्राम हम शुगर ऐड करेंगे. After that, we will add 25 gram of corn flour. 25 ग्राम हमने corn flour ऐड करना है. 25 gram of corn flour. And we will add water in the corn flour so that there will be no lumps. Okay, corn flour में हम water डाल करके mix करेंगे. Anshul is making, I can see. What about else guys? You can also turn on your camera. Those who are making. So we will add this corn flour with milk. And we will continuously stir it till it gets thick. जब तक ये थिक ना हो जाए, रूम टेम्परेचर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पे ना आ जाए, तब तक हमें मिक्स करना है. Those who are making, can you please turn on your camera? Riddhi is making. Okay, Fariza, Rupia also. Very nice, guys. So we need to thick it. Okay, thick करना है. Now we will transfer it into another bowl. दूसरे बाउल में हम ट्रांसफर कर देंगे फॉर कूलिंग. And we will mix it well. The thickness should be like this. इतना thickness होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Now just wait a minute. Now again we will take a pan. फिर से हमें pan लेना है for making caramel sauce. Okay, now we will make caramel sauce. So we will make caramel sauce. एक छोटा बाउल लेना. Again you need to preheat your, sorry, not preheat. Take a pan and we will add sugar. We are making caramel sauce now. So here I am taking 60 gram of sugar. 60 ग्राम हमें शुगर ले लेना है. And in this we will add water. 100 gram. 100 gram of water and 60 gram of sugar. Is there any doubt? Fariza, please reduce the quantity of water. वाटर की क्वांटिटी रिड्यूस कर दीजिए. वाटर आपने बहुत ज्यादा ले लिया है फारिजा, प्लीज रिड्यूस इट, थ्रो इट. थोड़ा सा फेंक दीजिए पानी. हमें सॉस बनाना है, शुगर सिरप नहीं. ओके. तो आफ्टर बॉइलिंग वी विल ऐड बटर. इसमें हम बटर ऐड करेंगे. तो सॉल्टेड बटर हियर आई एम टेकिंग 40 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्टेड बटर वी विल ऐड। 40 ग्राम हमें सॉल्टेड बटर ऐड करना है। यू कैन टेक अनसॉल्टेड ऑल्सो, अनसॉल्टेड बटर भी आप लोग ले सकते हो। You need to mix it till it comes into caramel color. अगर आपका caramel color आ जाए, you need to turn off the flame. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask. And those who are not making, please make it after the class. Okay, class के बाद आप लोग bake कीजिएगा। We need to add 20 more gram of sugar. Okay, 20 gram sugar और add कर लीजिए। Because the water is more there. Those who are making, have you measured all the ingredients? सारे ingredients आप measure कर रहे हो? सारी चीजें measure करके डालनी है। You have to measure all the things. Riddhi, you are also there is more amount of water, so it will be sugar syrup. You can throw some amount of water and add sugar. So we have completed this caramel. You can see the color. इतना कलर आना चाहिए कैरामल का। ओके, आर यू measured everything? रिद्धि, अंशुल? ओके, टेक अ वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर। ओके, थोड़ा सा वाटर लेना है। अंशुल, हाई फ्लेम पर कर लीजिए आप। Now I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm just using hot water. Something gets stick in the down. So we have prepared the caramel sauce. Custard, white custard we have prepared. Caramel sauce. Please do it fast. I'm waiting. Okay. Do you guys have whipping cream? Riddhi, Ansul, show me your thumbnail. Okay. लो में रखना नहीं, लो में नहीं रखना है, हाई में रखना है हीना. Just wait a minute. Riddhi, it's not the perfect caramel color. Please keep it for 2 to 3 minutes more. Ansul, yes, Ansul, your color came well. So you can turn off the flame. Now we will beat the whipping cream. So here I have taken 50 gram of whipping cream. Okay. 15 ग्राम मैंने whipping cream लिया है. So have you keep it out from the fridge? Whipping cream आपने फ्रिज से बाहर निकाल के रखा है? Sanjeet, I'm using Tropolite whipping cream. Tropolite की whipping cream मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. Hina, your also color came. Turn off the flame. किसकी पिक भेजूं? Riddhi, have you done? No. Okay, so just add more amount of sugar in that. शुगर ऐड कर लो आप थोड़ी सी और हाई फ्लेम पे करके उसे करना. So guys, take out the whipping cream from the right method of beating the whipping cream is you need to remove it from the freezer before half an hour. आधे घंटे पहले फ्रीजर से बाहर निकाल के रखना है. ठीक है. So we will beat the cream. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल whipping क्रीम नहीं है मेरे पास, व्हाट आई डू? अगर आपके पास whipping क्रीम नहीं है तो आप स्किप कर सकते हो, आई कांट से एनीथिंग, बट द राइट रेसिपी इज एडिंग whipping क्रीम, ओके? जब आपके पास नेक्स्ट टाइम आएगा आप ऐड कर लेना, अभी के लिए मिल्क मेड ऐड कर लीजिए आप, ठीक है? इट इज लिटिल बिट थिक, रिधि। Yes, it's done. Now it's done. Remove, move the pan. Now it's done. So first of all, we will beat the whipping cream at slower speed for 1 minute. 1 मिनट तक के लिए whipping cream beat करनी है. After that, you need to beat it at high speed. Riddhi, have you taken out the whipping cream from the freezer? Okay, very nice. Ansul, you don't have whipping cream. 50 gram of whipping cream, Rufia. Have you taken out from the freezer? Those who are not making, are you enjoying the class? जो लोग नहीं बना रहे हैं. So we have to beat the whipping cream till this, until your cream is not falling down. Okay. Now we will, what we will do is we will add our milkmaid which we have prepared, white custard. So 50 gram of milkmaid we will add. 50 ग्राम हमें मिल्कमेड ऐड करना है in whipping cream. After beating, you need to add. Yes, Fariza, you can beat it. To add butter. Yes, you need to add butter in caramel. 50 gram of milkmaid you need to add. Now we will pour the white custard which we have prepared. जो white custard हमने बनाया था उसे हम whipping cream and milkmaid के साथ mix करेंगे. And now we will mix it well. The white custard should be, yes, whole. सारा को हमें मिक्स करना है. 50 ग्राम ऑफ मिल्क मेड एंड 50 ग्राम ऑफ 50 gram of milk maid and 100 gram of whipping cream. Sorry guys, 100 gram of whipping cream and 50 gram of milk maid. Okay, no issue. No issue, you can take 50 gram also. But the white custard remove 10 to 10 gram you can remove. Okay, white custard which we have prepared, do not add whole. Just remove 10 gram, 10 to 15 gram. Have you beat the whipping cream, Riddhi? Okay. Fazia is beating. Fazia, add 50 gram more. Have you taken 100 gram? Okay, so we have prepared our all ingredients. Last step is butter and Oreo. So you need to crush Oreo. One packet of Oreo biscuit, like 10 rupees Oreo biscuit you need to take. And 30 gram of butter you need to add. 30 gram of butter you will add. First you need to melt the butter. Okay, melt the butter in microwave और गैस पे भी कर सकते हो, माइक्रोवेव में भी कर सकते हो. So guys, take one packet of Oreo biscuit and remove the cream from between and crush it. Grind it in mixer grinder or you can grind it from the roller also. Yes, okay, Parita. Six pieces you can take 10 packet. 5 to 6 it means 10 biscuit. 10 or 12 you can take. So here I have taken crust Oreo. Okay, and we will add melted butter. Add melted butter in the Oreo biscuit. अभी तो बटर मेल्ट करना है, मेल्ट करके ओरियो बिस्किट में ऐड करना है. And now we will take this jar. You can take any type of glass jar, or if you are trying at home, you can make in any utensils. Okay. किसी में भी आप बना सकते हो. यस, ओरियो का क्रीम निकाल करके डालना है. Now I am taking a piping bag. You can fill from the spoon also if you don't have. So we will add the cream in the piping bag. Now we will take this jar and we will add first layer of Oreo crust. Okay, first layer हमें Oreo crust का add करना है. First layer of Oreo crust and we will gently press it so that it will become set. Set हो जाए अच्छे से. Again, we will take the. Just wait a minute. Second layer we will add caramel sauce. Okay. If your sauce gets hard, you can add 2 to 3 drops of water. Okay. थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड कर लीजिएगा अगर हार्ड हो गया होगा तो. If it is okay, then there is no need of adding water. Okay, now we will add caramel sauce. Second layer. सेकेंड लेयर हमें कैरेमल सॉस डालना है एंड देन वी विल फिल द क्रीम. ओके. इसके बाद हमें क्रीम फिल करना है. And now we will spread it. Sauce becomes so hard. Add a small drops of water. It's because of adding too much of sugar. Now again we will pour the caramel sauce. And your banoffee pie is ready to serve. You need to yes, you can add the flame and add drops of water. 5 to 7 grams of water you can add. Now you need to keep it in fridge to set. Okay, set होने के लिए आपको फ्रिज में रखना है 2 to 3 hours, 2 से 3 घंटे के लिए. Now if you have any doubt you can ask me. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Is there any doubt? Obviously, Yamini, Vinu, Shreya, Selva Priya, Sanjeet, all of you please reply. कैरेमल सॉस नहीं रही, क्या हो गई? हार्ड हो गई है क्या? जस्ट लाइक रिद्धि, आप उसमें वाटर ऐड कर लीजिए थोड़ा सा हॉट गरम करके गैस पे. एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर ऐड करने की वजह से वो हार्ड हो गया. यस, एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर, सॉरी, शुगर के कारण हार्ड हो गया है. थोड़ा सा उसमें आप वाटर ऐड करके थोड़ा सा गर्म कर लीजिए आप. Is there any doubt, guys? I can. Have you completed, all of you? No, why? Is there any doubt? It's looking nice, Fariza. कैरेमल ठीक नहीं है। कैरेमल क्या हो गया, आप उसको एक बार पानी के गर्म कर लीजिए, ठीक हो जाएगा। सभी को कैरेमल में ही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। यस, फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ ओरियो विथ बटर, बटर के साथ आपको मिक्स करना है। सेकेंड लेयर ऑफ कैरेमल सॉस, यस, सेकेंड लेयर ऑफ कैरेमल सॉस का ऐड करना। थर्ड लेयर द क्रीम विच वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड। ओके, guys, all of you please reply. Meenu, Hina, Rufia has replied. I think she is making. Farisa, yes, Hina. First layer done. Second, do the second layer. Farisa done. Yes, Farisa, very nice. So now, please do it fast, guys. Yes, what I have to repeat, Riddhi. First layer Oreo, second layer caramel sauce, third layer the cream which we have prepared, again fourth layer caramel sauce. First layer Oreo with butter, Oreo with butter, second layer caramel sauce, third layer cream which we have prepared, fourth layer again caramel. So next recipe will be carrot cake. नेक्स्ट रेसिपी हम कैरेट केक बनाएंगे। Okay guys, so we will start the second, that is carrot cake. Okay, सबसे पहले हम एक बाउल ले लेंगे. We will take a bowl and we will add curd. You can take homemade curd also. कोई सा भी कर्ड ले सकते हो आप. So I will make half recipe only. Okay, मैं half recipe. Okay, let it be. I will use full recipe. So guys, I am taking half recipe only. Okay, मैं half recipe बना रही हूँ. If you want, you can follow me. Otherwise, you can follow the PDF also. In PDF, there is full recipe. Okay. So curd, I am taking 65 gram. 65 gram of curd. We will take. After that, we will add baking soda and baking powder. So baking soda, we will take 1 gram. Baking powder 1 gram. 1 gram of baking soda, 1 gram of baking powder. And now we will mix it. Anyone is making carrot cake? And we will keep it for rest for 5 minutes. 5 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट करना है इसे. Anyone is making carrot cake? Ansul, Riddhi, Fariza, Sanjeev, Jahila, Rupia, Hina, Meenu. Okay, Riddhi is making. So take curd. You are setting Bano. Okay, Bano की pie. Niranjana is making carrot cake. Yes, measurement. I'm repeating again. So 65 gram of curd, 1 gram of baking soda, 1 gram of baking powder. Okay. Those who are making, please preheat your OTG for 10 minutes on the lower rod. 10 minutes के लिए आपको लोअर रॉड पे ऑन करना है. फर्स्ट से बोलो. कर्ड लेना है आपको हीना 65 ग्राम. ओके, 1 ग्राम बेकिंग सोडा, 1 ग्राम बेकिंग पाउडर. and you need to keep it to rest for fermentation. एंड बेनोफी पाई को आप फ्रिज में 2 से 3 घंटे के लिए सेट होने के लिए रखना है, 2 to 3 आवर्स. Yes, Riddhi, 65 gram of curd, 1 gram baking soda, 1 gram baking powder. So now we will add refined oil. रिफाइंड ऑयल ऐड करना है हमें 40 ग्राम इन कर्ड. ओके, विथ कर्ड यू नीड टू मिक्स रिफाइंड ऑयल 40 ग्राम. And we will mix it. After adding refined oil, we will mix it. First, you need to take curd 65 gram, 1 gram of baking soda, 1 gram of baking powder, and you need to keep it to rest for 5 minutes. Okay. After that, you will add refined oil 40 gram and mix it well. अच्छी तरह से mix करना है so that there will be no visibility of oil on the top. Yes, Farida, okay. Now we will add sugar. 75 gram of powdered sugar we need to take. Okay, 75 gram powdered sugar लेना है. $75 gram of powdered sugar and we will mix it. Is there any doubt till now? Ma'am, I have normal sugar. Okay, so you need to grind it. Okay, because we will use powdered sugar in this recipe. Now we will add refined flour. Okay, refined flour add करना है हमें 75 ग्राम. 75 ग्राम ऑफ रिफाइंड फ्लावर. मैदा हमें 75 ग्राम ऐड करना है. 1 gram of vanilla powder we will add. Those who don't have vanilla powder, you can use vanilla essence, but use with curd only. कर्ड के साथ लिक्विड मीडियम में ही यूज करना है, ठीक है. You need to add vanilla essence in liquid medium. So this is vanilla powder. Many of you were messaging me that I have not found vanilla powder in the market. So this is vanilla powder. You will get it in the bakery. आप किसी बेकरी में इसे ले सकते हो. कर्ड और बेकिंग पाउडर बेकिंग सोडा डालने के बाद क्या करना है. कर्ड बेकिंग पाउडर बेकिंग सोडा डालने के बाद आपको 5 मिनट के लिए रेस्ट करना है. देन आपको रिफाइंड ऑयल डालना है 40 ग्राम. देन शुगर डालना है आपको 75 ग्राम एंड मिक्स करके सारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्सर करना है. नाउ वी विल मिक्स इट वेल. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करना है कट एंड फोल्ड मेथड से. व्हाट इज कट एंड फोल्ड मेथड? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू कट लाइक दिस एंड देन फोल्ड इट. कट एंड देन फोल्ड. कट एंड देन फोल्ड. ओके. फिर से बोलो. 75 ग्राम. 75 ग्राम ऐड करना है. ओके एक बार मैं रिपीट कर दे रही हूँ फिर से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू टेक कर्ड. ओके. इन कर्ड यू नीड टू ऐड बेकिंग पाउडर बेकिंग सोडा. ठीक है. एंड यू नीड टू कीप इट फॉर रेस्ट फॉर 5 मिनट्स. Then you need to add refined oil 40 grams and then powdered sugar 75 grams and you need to mix it. Then you need to add refined flour and vanilla powder. Those who are making using vanilla essence use with curd only. Okay, liquid medium में use करना है. Is it clear? And now you need to mix it well. At last we will add grated carrot. लास्ट में आपको ग्रेटेड कैरेट ऐड करना है. So I am adding grated carrot here. After that you need to add raisins. किशमिश मिलाना है आपको. लोअर 75 grams. After adding kismis you need to add walnut. Okay, walnut add करना है. And now we will mix it. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेना है. The batter will be thick. Okay, whenever we are making dry cakes, the batter of dry cakes is thick. So that it will take time like 40 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes it will take to bake. Now we will take a mold. Okay, so we will take the mold and we will grease it with butter. Butter से हमें grease करना है. You can grease with refined flour also. So I am greasing here with butter. You can use butter paper also. Okay, butter paper भी आप use कर सकते हो. तो अच्छी तरह से हमें बटर चारों तरफ लगा देना है. So like this you need to grease it with butter. After that we will add refined flour. And we will do like this. इस तरह से स्प्रेड कर देना है. Now we will pour the batter in the mold. Take 5 by 5 inch mold or 4 by 5 inch mold. Okay. Now we will spread it. And we will bake it at 180 degree. Okay, for 35 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes you can check from the toothpick. If the toothpick will comes out clean, it means your batter has baked properly. ठीक है? Have you completed all of you? Fariza is making now. This is in the last step. Okay. Hina, have you completed? Yes, the batter is good. Riddhi went somewhere. Have you completed, Riddhi? Okay. So should I repeat again or is it okay? रूफिया बाद में बनाएगी. Okay, ठीक है. So guys, those who are making after the class, I will share a WhatsApp group, the virtual oven group. In that you need to Farisa. Okay, I will repeat the recipe again. Please wait. So in that group, you need to share the picture. Whatever you are making, you need to share it. Yes, Farisa, it is okay. So you need to share the picture in that group. But remind one thing: do not share any recipe in that group. Okay? Because some old students are also here and some other members are there. So do not share any recipe. Just you can discuss your doubts there. You can share pictures there. Okay? So after the class, you will share the pictures with feedback. Yamini is using 9-inch pan. Yamini, you can bake in that, but the cake will be flat. Okay. Your cake will not that much height. The height will not come. So your cake will be flat in that if you will use bigger mold. You are using half recipe or full recipe? So your cake will be flat. 9 inch is very no issue. You can bake it. So guys, you need to bake it at 180 degree on the lower rod for 35 minutes. ठीक है? So that's it for today's class, guys. Let me repeat the recipe quickly. First, you need to take curd. Okay. How to bake using gas, ma'am? Okay, let me repeat the recipe. So first, you need to take the curd. In curd, you need to add baking powder and baking soda. Keep it to rest for 5 minutes. After that, you need to add refined oil and sugar. Okay, and you need to mix it well. Then you will use all the dry ingredients like refined flour, vanilla powder and mix it well. अच्छी तरह से mix करना है so that there is no any lumps. At last, you need to add grated carrot, walnut and raisins. Okay, and mix it. Pour the batter in the mold, 5-inch mold or 4-inch mold you can take. Or 6-inch also you can take, but try to take 4-inch or 5-inch mold. And bake it at 180 degree on the lower rod for 35 minutes. There are 3 rods in OTG and we should place the pan on the last bottom rod. No, you need to keep it in the middle. Middle में रखना है आपको. Okay. Yes. And how to bake on gas? Gas पे कैसे bake करना है? Yes, Yamini, you can check it in between. आप 20-25 minutes के बाद आप check कर सकते हो. You guys check after 25 minutes because every OTG is different. So those who don't have OTG, you can bake in cooker or karahi as well. So take a cooker or karahi and heat it on the gas. Okay. Add some salt in that and put a stand over there and put mold and cover it. Reduce the flame and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. So that's it for today's class, guys. I'm ending of the session. I will send the recorded videos in the group. Okay, and after baking, please share the picture in the group as well. I will also share and I will show you in the tomorrow class as well. Okay. So bye everyone. Please share the picture with feedback. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much.